bit. Let's go out here in the shop. You can kind of see what we got going on. Tell you a little bit about everything. We do everything from stock, slightly modified, to full-blown custom stuff. We've got a 66 Nova back that we had done work to. It changed hands in ownership. We'll have some more on that when we get to that. We'll get you a video for that one. We got a 68 Plymouth Fury 3. You won't see very many of these cars. This car came to us. Customer bought it. It was shipped out of Florida in boxes. Car was packed full of parts. Again, another one of those difficult type jobs. A 67 Mustang. This car, updated suspension, TCI, coilovers, front, rear, Coyote engine. Whole car is going completely updated. We have a 32 5-window coupe. We fully have completely built the chassis and everything on this car. This is my personal car, which is why it's not done, because I don't get to work on my stuff. But we can handle anything that you need, whether if it's performance upgrades to completely custom chassis, air ride suspension, suicide doors, you name it, custom paint. We also do stuff on bikes as well. So you guys give us a like, get a share, follow us on Facebook, check us out, give us a call. We'll help you out. Thanks.